Have a good day, sir and ma'am. I am Nancy Jane G. Kadingan, 35 years old, married, and has 4 children, all boys, ages 17, 15, 5, and 3 years old. I live in Barangay Santa Fe, Lamut, Ifugao, Philippines. I am high school graduate and have an experience overseas as a domestic helper year 2014 to 2016 in United Arab Emirates. I have served an Emirati family consisting Madam Sir, 3 teens, ages 19, 17, 15, and 3 children, ages 12, 5, and newborn baby. My main duties there is to look after the newborn baby, change diapers, put him to sleep, and do the household chores like cleaning, vacuuming, washing clothes, ironing, and some small backyard gardening. I did not do the cooking there because I have an Ethiopian coworker who do the task. I have finished my contract and come back here in the Philippines. I tried to apply again in Kuwait. I got hired year 2016 to 2018. I have served a Kuwaiti family consisting couple, sir, madam, and 3 children, ages 5, 3, and newborn baby. My main duties there is to take care and look after the newborn baby. I sleep with the newborn baby in his first 100 days. After that, it all goes back to the regular routine. I do the household chores like cleaning, vacuuming, washing clothes, ironing, and do some simple cookings in breakfast and dinner. I have finished my contract again there and come back here in my country. After some months, I tried my luck to apply there in Hong Kong. I got lucky to get hired and be able to come there to serve 3 members of the family, consisting Madam, Sir, and a 5 years old child. My duties there is to look after the child, bring and pick him up in school, do the marketing, groceries, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes. Unfortunately, during my 5th month in service, my employer had their vacation to Canada. They give me the choice if I will go with them or come back here in the Philippines. I choose to come back here so that I can see my babies and my family. After a 6-day vacation, I come back there, and after 1 month, I discovered that I am pregnant. I have hard time during my pregnancy. That's why I decided to break my contract and to come home here in the Philippines. I stayed here until now. My last baby is already 3 years old. That's why I decided to apply again and tried my luck there in Hong Kong. To my future employer, I promised to already to do my best because I've learned already my lesson in my last employment. I am a trustworthy, hardworking, lovable, and reliable. I can promise that I will love your children as my own. I will do the duties and follow instruction. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to be hired by you, sir, madam. Thank you, and God bless.